So mama, today we are starting second part of the exercise, bicep and arms. Bicep mom, our arms. So today we are doing these two exercises. Mama, any work inspiration is the most important thing, mama. So my inspiration is the acupuncture वाला अंकुल. मालूम है ना तुझे तो? He started construct the building, one of the most biggest in our old PVC mama. After Vanma's house, is he doing his exercises upstairs. He started workout before me and completed after my workouts, mama. He is nearly 50 plus age. When I was tired, I just look at him. He's keep exercises doing continuously. Then I will thought, why can I stop? Let's go on. Today little bit raining outside, mama. Not too much. Little bit raining outside. There is a lot of so wet in the floor. Don't worry, we will be do it because only biceps, not mostly use of the floor. So started. There he is, mama. He started his workout. Okay, mama, start the workout with normal warm-ups like dips. ठीक है mom. Yesterday we done by back exercise. Today abs, mom. So we mix both the three types of exercise: shoulder, arms, and abs. Mama, each exercise 15 to 20 reps and 3 repetitions, mom. And each repetitions in between gap 30 to 16 seconds rest, mama. Due to the dangerous position of the camera, I can skip the arms exercise videos, mama. Finally, we are completed our workout, but circulate circulate dips will be balanced. After that, we will finish our workout. Finally, successfully completed Ramama workout. Absence of Asma is so easily to do the workout, but in presence of her, it's so difficult to me to this. She regularly requested, irritated to me. Please observe the baby. She is sleeping now. Please. That's why I can't do the exercise properly. Now she is go to her village. Result, mama. See the result. Today bicep, labs. It will be take 2 to 3 months to properly exposing.